is Nudie Dench. Hello, Nudie Dench. It's feeding time. As you can see, he's very hungry. And here comes my hand with a juicy worm. He's not the smartest, but he's not. Come on, dude. It's getting away. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pull it out of the dirt. Oh, yeah. Those instincts. Take it to your cave. Now, what he does, it's hard to say. It's a big worm. Gonna use his hands a little bit, I guess. He folds it. See how it's folding? Oh, camera shy. Come on, Nudie. Oh, got some. Gotta clean that. Wow, he's taking it. He's having it. Nudie, why you gotta go to the leaf, man? Kapow! And the final little death squirt, I guess, gross as it is. He is a Chinese warty newt. Paramezzotriton chinensis. Saying out.